Alright, let's do this. So, after spending some time in Labuan Bajo, we headed to see the world's largest lizards, the Komodo Dragons. Located in the center of Indonesia, Komodo National Park is home to around 5,700 lizards scattered across 3 major islands: Rinca, Komodo, and Padar. The only way to visit the national park is on a boat tour from Labuan Bajo, and there are many types of tours and tour companies available. Most companies follow a similar itinerary, and in this video, we will be showing you guys a 3-day, 2-night tour around the park. Alright, so let the adventure begin. We gathered at the port to meet our tour guide as well as our new local friends for the next 3 days. Once everyone was on board, it was time to head to our first stop, Kelor Island.
This is our first island from the mainland. We're just gonna hike, go to the top and take some photos and enjoy the view.
It's a tiny island with a 15-minute hike that offers a panoramic view of Flores. Then we headed to our second location, Lobuaya or Rinca Island, to see the dragons. So we're in Rinca Island. We're gonna go see the Komodos, right?
Apparently they have Komodo here other than Komodo Island itself.
So apart from Komodo Island, Rinca Island is also home to over 1,000 wild Komodo dragons. It's less popular and crowded compared to Komodo Island, therefore making it a good place to see these enormous lizards in their natural environment. There will be 2 rangers to guide you through the park, and be sure to stay close.
So we are in Komodo Island. It's actually Rinca Island next to Komodo Island, but there's still Komodo. Correct. And check this out. That's scary, man.
Once we were done with the dragons, we sailed to Kalong Island to see the flying foxes.
We are waiting for the fox to fly away.
This island's main attraction is thousands of bats emerging from the trees and taking to the sky during dawn. So we woke up early the next day to watch the sunrise on Padar Island.
So we are in Padar Island, waiting for the sun to rise up. This is the island where got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides.
Located right in between Komodo and Rinca, Padar Island is an iconic destination for its unique shape, 3-colored beaches, and terrain that looks like something out of Jurassic Park. It arguably has one of the most amazing views in Indonesia. Coming into here requires a paying entrance fee. I don't know exactly the amount, but for the both of us, it costs $215. Is it, Helmy?
215,000.
215,000 for the both of us today. Next, we went to the other side of the island to visit the Pink Beach. Okay, so there are several pink beaches across the park, and Padar has one of the best. It really feels like a tropical paradise, and yes, the sand is pink in person. After spending some time on the beach, we got back on our boat and sailed to Manta Point.
I'm gonna swim with Manta. Yeah, Mas. Aku turun ya.
Unfortunately, it wasn't really our lucky day, so we didn't get to swim with the manta rays. It was our last day of the tour, and it was time to head back to Labuan Bajo. On the way back, we made one final stop at Kanoa Island. It's a beautiful small island best known for its white sand beaches, turquoise seawater, and coral reefs. It was a really perfect way to end the trip. And that is the end of our Komodo National Park tour. We would like to give a quick shout out to our tour guide and crew for being amazing and taking good care of us. Not forgetting our new friends as well. We had so much fun with each and every one of you, and we're so grateful to have met you guys. So our tour cost 2.4 million rupiahs per person. It was definitely worth it because it was a unique experience. I mean, we got to see Komodo dragons.